It seemed a dead-end job for Shaun to determine the slope of a graph at a single point. Shaun thought he might discuss it with a scientist. He remembered Gottfried Leibniz, who was a contemporary scientist in math. Shaun shared this problem with Gottfried. Gottfried immersed in the problem. He told himself, "I am looking for the slope of a line connecting two points on a graph, but the space between them is approaching zero. This slope, which is a ratio, is called limit in math. Nominator of this ratio is the difference between the ordinates of 2 points, and denominator of this ratio is the difference between the abscisses of 2 points. When the difference between these 2 points approaches zero, this ratio is called limit. Normally, this limit will be the slope of the line connecting 2 points which are placed so close together." But Leibniz didn't get anything other than a useless ratio. Finally, he could come up with the idea that he expressed the ordinates of 2 points in terms of their corresponding abscisses based on the function rule. Leibniz could get formulae as a function of x to find the slope of a graph at any given point. This ratio is later called as derivative. Leibniz got well known and wealthy after presenting derivative as a new idea in math. Shaun realized that the slope of the position-time graph at a given time is the instantaneous velocity at that moment. Shaun could finally be able to present two applications for the position-time plot. One, determination of the average velocity between two given moments. 2. Determination of instantaneous velocity at a given moment. Including these two facts into his dissertation, Shaun was acknowledged by the university. His dreams came true